Hello everyone, and welcome back to Quote Solutions, your trusted guide for all things insurance. We're here to help you navigate the complex world of insurance policies, debunking myths and misconceptions, and giving you the information you need to make informed decisions. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of homeowners insurance, specifically focusing on the misunderstood aspect of deductibles. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Ever thought that your homeowner's insurance deductible is the amount you pay before your insurance kicks in? That's a common misconception. In reality, a deductible is the amount you're responsible for paying when you file a claim. Think of it as your financial contribution to the repair or replacement costs. It's not a pre-insurance payment, but rather a part of the claim itself. So, if you have a $1,000 deductible, you pay the first $1,000 of a claim. Only after that does your insurance start to help cover the costs. Imagine you're cooking dinner, and suddenly, a small kitchen fire causes $5,000 in damage. It's a shock, right? But that's where your homeowner's insurance steps in. Here's how it works. The deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Let's say your deductible is $1,000. After the fire, you call your insurance company to file a claim. They assess the damage and agree it totals $5,000. Now, you're responsible for the first $1,000, the deductible. So you pay that $1,000 towards the repair and cleanup. Once that's done, your insurance company steps in to cover the rest. They'll pay the remaining $4,000. It's a simple concept, but it's essential to understand how it works, so you're not caught off guard. In this case, you'd pay your $1,000 deductible, and your insurance would cover the remaining $4,000. Now think about coming home to find your expensive electronics stolen, totaling a loss of $2,000. It's a heart-sinking moment, isn't it? But that's where your homeowner's insurance comes into play. Let's say your policy has a deductible of $1,000. This deductible is the amount you need to pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. In this situation, you've suffered a loss of $2,000 due to the theft. After reporting the theft to the police and your insurance company, you'll be required to pay your deductible. This means you'll pay the first $1,000 of the loss. What happens next? Your insurance company steps in to cover the rest. They will pay the remaining $1,000, reimbursing you for the loss above your deductible. So you'd pay your $1,000 deductible, and your insurance would cover the remaining $1,000. Lastly, picture a severe hailstorm that causes $800 in damage to your roof. This weather-related incident is a perfect example of a situation where the damage costs less than your deductible. Just imagine that your deductible is $1,000. As the cost of the damage does not reach this amount, you, the homeowner, would need to cover the total cost. That's right. Since the damage costs less than your deductible, you'd be responsible for the entire $800. Moving forward from our examples, it's clear that understanding your insurance deductible is crucial. It's not just a number, but a key factor that determines how much you might have to pay out of pocket in case of a mishap. Remember the hailstorm damage? If the cost of damage is less than your deductible, you're responsible for covering that cost. This could be a significant amount, which is why it's essential to choose a deductible amount you're comfortable with. Should you find yourself in a situation where you need to make a claim, knowing how your deductible works can save you a lot of stress and confusion. And remember, insurance is there to help protect you and your property from significant losses, so it's worth taking the time to understand it fully. If this video has been helpful or added value to you, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you navigate the complexities of homeowners insurance with more easy-to-understand examples and explanations. Stay tuned for more.